Hey everybody, it's Jordan, the Millionaire Millennial. In this video, we're gonna be going over wholesale, how exactly that works, and how to get involved doing it, and also how to make a ton of money doing wholesale, okay? So that's what we're gonna be talking about in this video, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna tell you that this one is the most expensive. Typically, you're gonna want at least $5,000 to actually even get started here. So if that's not in your budget, start with OA, build up some money, maybe do a PL, and then once you've got a lot of money, then you do wholesale, right? That's what all the people that do wholesale do. Most people don't walk into Amazon and have thousands of dollars to spend, all right? Now, I have had some students that came to me and they're like, hey, I've got $10,000 and I wanna get involved in wholesale. Show me. And I say, okay, here you go. Here's how you do it. So I want to share with you just a really brief overview of how wholesale works. It's a lot like OA, but it's combined with OA and PL, right? So it's the minimal work of OA and not having to make a product listing, not having to do all that, but it's the niceness of PL being able to just buy in bulk and let it sell. So what wholesale is, you probably already know, is buying products that already exist from either a distributor or a manufacturer and then selling them on the Amazon listing that already exists. So it's the basic like buying OA, but in huge bulk. And like we said in OA, usually you can't buy huge bulk because those retailers won't let you buy that many units. And also with wholesale, you get a lot deeper discounts, right? So maybe you can buy products for like 60 to 80% off of the sale price on Amazon. So you're making a lot of money when you sell these products. And usually with wholesale, you wanna buy products that sell a lot of units per month, hundreds or thousands of units a month. So you're buying a lot of inventory, you're flipping a lot of inventory, and you're making a lot of money in the process, okay? So how exactly does that work? Let's go back to the little drawing pad and I'll show you. All right, so for wholesale, okay, what you do is you find a brand owner, a distributor, a manufacturer of a brand, and you say, hello, I'd like to buy your products at wholesale prices. Now, most of the time that doesn't work because they already have people buying their products at wholesale price. Why should they sell to you? So that is why the first step here is help them first. So maybe you go to an Amazon listing for a brand and it's really bad. It's only got one picture, you know, the bullets aren't filled out, the descriptions, you know, maybe it's bad English or something. You can contact that brand and say, listen, your Amazon listing's pretty bad. I can improve that for you if you'd like. I'll do it for free, no big deal. And then you tell them that that's gonna bring in more sales because a higher quality listing results in more sales, okay? So most brand owners will be like, sure, okay, or at least that problem has been addressed and now they know that they need to fix it. Okay, whether they let you fix it or not, it's irrelevant. You're the one that brought that to their attention and they'll remember that. So then maybe after you fix it or after it gets fixed, or maybe they don't want to or whatever, then you say, I'd like to buy from you. I'd like to buy, you know, wholesale prices directly from you. And sometimes they say no, a lot of times they say no, but sometimes they say yes. So the idea with wholesale is try to contact and build relationships with as many different brand owners and distributors and manufacturers as possible. That's the idea. And that's the second point is go to trade shows, all right? Trade shows are really great to meet a lot of people that have connections in wholesale marketplaces where you can just go and be like, hey, I wanna buy all these products from these different brands. And you meet someone that knows those people. You know, in wholesale, it really is who you know, not what you know. You know, all the other methods, you don't need to know anybody. OA, RA, private label, you don't need to know anybody, right? You can do it on your own. But with wholesale, it's really, really valuable to know the right people so that they can hook you up in the right places. So how wholesale really works is you buy, you know, in bulk, we're talking hundreds and hundreds of units of products directly from a manufacturer or a distributor. And usually, sometimes, they can actually do what your private label manufacturer does and put on those barcodes and those labels on your boxes so that they can ship it directly to Amazon as well. So that's really nice, right? But the thing is, this listing already exists on Amazon, right? So you don't need to make the listing, you don't need to take pictures, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to do any of this stuff that you would normally do for private label. All you need to do is find a good product, find the brand owner or the distributor, and then sell that product, okay? And you buy it in bulk, ship it to Amazon, and it sells. It's really easy, right? It sounds really easy, but that's why it's so expensive. And you also have to meet people, you have to get involved, you have to go to trade shows, you have to make connections with people, you have to provide value to those people and help them build their brand, and in return, they'll let you sell their products, okay? Because you don't have a right to sell anybody's products, right? So you wanna make sure you get that right by just helping them, right? Help them the best way you can. And maybe you're thinking, well, I'm a total noob at this. I don't even know where to even begin. The thing is, just as simple as maybe helping them out on their product listing, or saying, hey man, I've got, a couple hundred Instagram followers. I can, shout out your product and say that you should buy it. Little things like that help them make more money, because if they're making more money, they're going to be happy. If their brand is growing and more people are buying their products, they're gonna be happy. So if you can make that happen for them, they're gonna have no problem selling you their product. Be sure you use like Amazon's partners, which is UPS and FedEx. When you set it up in your seller account, you can go through and make sure to select to use Amazon partner, right? And if you ship a pallet, even if it's really big and really heavy, you can still ship it really cheap. So you always want to make sure that you take advantage of those deep discounts on shipping anytime you can, especially when you're doing wholesale, especially when you're shipping, larger items. Even when you're shipping just your OA and RA stuff, you want to make sure you always use those partner shipping prices, because Amazon negotiated really hard with UPS and FedEx to get you those prices, okay? So just be sure to actually take advantage of that. So to conclude, I want to ask you if you'd like to be a student of mine. I'm not going to sit here and push this on you. I'm not a salesman, I'm a teacher. And if you've liked this training series, hopefully you would agree that I'm a decent teacher. So if you're interested in this, you can click the link that's like right around this video somewhere, and it'll take you right to that page where you can sign up. And I really think it'll benefit you, but that's all I'm gonna say about it. And again, thank you so much for watching this. I hope that it helped you understand the basics of selling on Amazon, and hope that maybe that's enough to help you get started. And hopefully I will see you in the rainforest. Bye.